just move from one place to the next one, being drifted by the sea currents. And at that moment, it will just feed and feed until it moves on to the next stage. So it is going to happen within a time of 2 weeks, more or less. Once it moves on to the next larval stage, which is called the cypre, then it will no longer feed and will start exploring. Exploring for a suitable place to get fixed. And then it will put its head all the way onto a very stable surface. And then it will start moving on until it reaches maturity. At that point, it will use its feathery feet in order to grab nutrients from the water column and will start feeding. And then at that point, it will start building up a calcareous shell that is going to cover up the body, and that would be literally like its house. But ever since that moment, it will be fixed in a particular area and will no longer drift. It will no longer move in the water column. Now, some barnacle species are able to be, well, individuals actually are able to be next to each other. But reproduction in barnacles happens sexually. Now, if you are a male barnacle and the female is not the individual next door, but is a little far away, you need to find out a way to sexually reproduce. And Mother Nature is very wise. This is the reason why it happens that the male barnacle has the largest sexual organ in the animal kingdom. So, compared to body ratio, in some species it happens to be 30 times larger than its own body size. So this is going to help with this need of trying to find the female in the area, so reproduction is going to be possible. So we'll be looking for different, jumping from individual to individual, until then it finally finds the receptive female that will accept this. So then reproduction, sexual happens, and the life cycle could continue in the barnacle for the next generations. So, ladies and gentlemen, this was the life cycle